Hello and welcome to Fat Monkey 404. Today we are building a set from the architecture theme from Lego. It's Buckingham Palace. Built in 1826, but has been added to and upgraded over the last 200 years, as you can imagine. The first actual resident, I think it was in 1834, I think I read, was Queen Victoria, but is now obviously in the hands of King Charles, since Queen Elizabeth died in 2002, and the Duke of Edinburgh, the husband, the year before that in 2021. Believe it or not, the palace has 775 rooms in total. I didn't think it was going to be that many, but it does include 19 staterooms, 52 royal and guest bedrooms, 188 staff bedrooms, and 92 offices, but only has 78 bathrooms. That doesn't seem a lot for 775 rooms, I must admit. I didn't know this until I watched a documentary a few months ago about the massive fire at Windsor Castle in 1992, which destroyed 115 rooms. I didn't realise there that the Queen then decided to open up Buckingham Palace and other royal property to the public for tours. You can see what's in there and the elaborate decor and all the treasures they hold, and that money was used then to raise money to actually fix Windsor Castle. And they've been open ever since. I don't think the Buckingham Palace is open all the time, but certain times. But yeah, I didn't know that. Anyway, let's get back to the set. This is set number 21029, has 780 pieces. This was actually released a few years ago now in September 2016 and was retired in December 2018. When it's released, it's about £50 to buy, but now as it's retired, prices have gone up, as you can imagine. I think on eBay I've seen one for 120, I've seen one for 180, so yeah, they are nowhere near £50 now, but it just shows you that Lego can be an investment in the future. Anyway, it takes about an hour to build. Let's get cracking. And that's a wrap. Yeah, I actually quite like this one. The architectural ranges are quite good. It gets a little bit finicky with all the little bits and that, but then obviously with big hands like mine, it does make it a little bit hard. But it looks fantastic though. It looks absolutely great. I love the touch with the London bus and the little black cab as well. Great touches. And I just realised as well that the gold man on the statue is facing the wrong way. Do apologise for that. I've just realised that watching the video. But yeah, also little set. Would I buy it for the prices they are at the minute? No. If it comes up cheap, would I? Probably not. But no, it's a cracking little set. I did enjoy it. Right, that's it. Till next time. See you later. Adios. If you've enjoyed the video, please like, and if you can, subscribe and click the bell icon to get new video updates.